Hey, Paul Hansen here, and I've got a quick question for you. If you could take $40 one time for life and deposit it into a bank account, and then every month, month after month, add $10 to that bank account and do that consistently for 5 years, you would have invested a total of $640. You would have put $640 into that bank account over that 5-year period. Now, let's say little by little, you do start making a little bit of money here and there, but by the time you get to year 5, you are making $2,460 per month. Would you do that? Would you invest $640 gradually over time, over that 5-year period, so that you can get to the point where you are making $2,460 a month? You know what? Let's even be a little bit more conservative. And let's say you're only making $500 a month at this point. Would you put $640 into that bank account over the course of 5 years to make $500 a month from that point forward? Well, I can tell you my answer would be heck yes. So if this sounds interesting to you, make sure you click on the button below to find out more about this amazing opportunity. It's why I call it the Goof Proof Plan.